has the hiccups.
Oh.
Oh, poor baby, she's so uncomfortable.
Why do you have the hiccups?
Oh, I feel bad. I don't know what to do.
Maybe she's about to cough out of.
Alright, are we ready?
You okay?
1, 2, 3.
No.
I'm sure she's fine. I just feel bad because clearly it, like, either scaring her or making her uncomfortable.
And she's just staring at me now. You
I
good?
think I read somewhere that multiple blood transfusions leads to
Okay,
high
you
flow
good.
calcemia.
You love me, Flash.
Yeah?